the retard pulley is mounted to the cassette, so in order to remove it, we first remove this guide here, which there are two tabs here that I can release it with. So that comes off. Then, in order to remove the pulley itself, you just simply have to rotate this up to get this tab loose, and then it just slides out like so. Now you have to be careful when you're putting this back in. There is a spring. If you put it in position here, it will go back together the right way. You also need to watch these washers on each of these pins to make sure they're in place before putting the roller back.